The breather assembly is part of your small engine's fuel system. As fuel is drawn into the carburetor, a vacuum will form in the tank if air is not allowed to enter. The breather allows air to enter the tank, but prevents fuel vapors from exiting. If the breather fails, a vacuum is created as the fuel level drops, eventually preventing fuel from flowing into the carburetor. Replacing the breather assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the air filter cover. With the air filter cover removed, I can easily access the breather and breather tube. It's held in place with a small clamp. I'll release it from the clamp and pull it away from the blower. The breather is held in place by a barbed connector on the end, and I'll just pull the breather away from the breather tube. Now I can install the new breather. I'll make sure the clamp is in place on the end of the hose, and then I'll push the breather into place. I'll push the breather back into the opening behind the carburetor and secure the line in place with the clamp. And I'll finish by reinstalling the air filter cover. And now you know how to replace the breather assembly on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.